watching that midnight train roll by. Got a heart full of sorrow and a tear in my eye. Whispers of your love were sweet, but now they're a ghost in the night. Oh, I'm lost in this old town with dreams out of sight. Yeah, the midnight trains are calling, but it's taking you away. Got those blues around my heart, ain't no sunshine in my day. Elvis on the radio, playing tunes of love and pain, while I sit here all alone, counting drops of pouring rain. I remember when we danced, baby, in the glow of a neon light. Your laughter was a melody, made the darkness feel so right. But the tracks are cold and empty, and the whistle howls my shame. Now every train that rolls on through just reminds me of your name. Yeah, the midnight trains are calling, but it's taking you away. Got those blues around my heart, ain't no sunshine in my day. Elvis on the radio, playing tunes of love and pain, while I sit here all alone, counting drops of pouring rain. Oh, I hold on to the memories like a lover holds a sigh. But the leaves are falling slowly, and my dreams have said goodbye. So I'll raise a glass to the heartache, let the blues be my refrain, while the midnight train keeps rolling, bringing whispers of your name. Yeah, the midnight trains are calling, but it's taking you away. Got those blues around my heart, ain't no sunshine in my day. Elvis on the radio, playing tunes of love and pain, while I sit here all alone, counting drops of pouring rain. So I keep these blues a-singing as the stars begin to fade, with every note a memory of the love we never made. Oh, that midnight train keeps rolling on this lonely heart of mine, lost in the rhythm of a broken dream and the echoes of your time.